Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a paper boomerang. We require only a 15 to 15 centimeter craft or origami paper. First, fold it into half. Then fold along the other way. Now fold the four corners to the center. Turn over and again fold the corners to the center. Then open up and fold like this. Again open and fold all the corners along this line. Again open and fold along the other side. Next, turn it over and open up the center like this. Make all the foldings proper. Now we have many corners. Fold the tip of all the corners like this. Your boomerang is ready. Hope you like the boomerang. Before winding up today's video, we can learn one new word. Today's word is versatile. V-E-R-S-A-T-I-L-E. versatile. It means able to change easily from one activity to another. When putting it in a sentence, he was a versatile actor. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.